What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? I do know that I haven't been uploading for a while now, and I apologize for that, but today I have this video, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my onion ginger oil. I did hear that it helps with maximum hair growth, and again, I for some reason had dandruff, itchy scalp going on, so I wanted to try this out since ginger helps with the dandruff situation. Again, I've used this method before, but it was more like the juice part of it. I literally blended up ginger and onion, and then juiced it out, then drenched my hair for a couple of hours with soaked it in with the juices, and then yeah, washed it out when I felt like I should. And to be honest with you guys, like within 2 weeks of doing this, I literally noticed a lot of growth, and that is why I went ahead to do the oil form, because the liquid form basically it's a little bit more messy compared to the oil form. But basically it's left for you. It depends on what you want to do. I definitely do like the liquid form if I'm about to wash my hair and just get all messy and then wash it all out, and that's all I have to do. But if not, with the braids on, I just want to oil my scalp with this good oil and have my hair grow. Yes, girl. So before we jump into this video, make sure you like this video, comment in the comment section what you think about it, how you make your own oils, and the videos you want to see, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel. What is you doing? Okay, let's hop right into this video. Basically, all you need is ginger, as much as you want, depending on the quantity you want to make. You need your onion. You need your knife, maybe a cotton board or whatever you use, however you cut your things up. So onion, they say it has a good protein in it that helps with hair growth, and ginger opens up the pores and helps with dandruff and all the stuff. Guys, I'm not into the science aspect of this thing. I'm just here to get my hair growing, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and dice this thing up and blend it, and I will see you guys when this is done, okay? So guys, I'm done blending this whole thing up, and I just felt like I needed to cook, but I felt like I needed to use this for something else, guys. But then you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it into my saucepan, and let it simmer for a little while just to get out the juice from it. You know, I didn't want to add water. You can do that if you want. I just felt like the more concentrated the thing is, the more effective it's gonna be. So I just let it simmer for a little while, trying to get out its juice. guys, the oil I'm deciding to use for this thing is the extra virgin olive oil. Do not think this is exactly what you have to use. You can go ahead and use whatever oil you want, like your coconut oil, your argan oil, if you have a lot of that, black castor oil. But I'm doing this because I've always been doing a lot of my hair products with the extra virgin olive oil. So yeah, so basically I added the amount that I wanted, the amount that I thought would be enough, and then just let it fry. So guys, here is the finished product of this whole thing. I definitely love this. I love the quantity that I have. I do know that this is gonna go a whole long way for me, because I'm probably gonna add a couple of oils to this just to enhance the effectiveness. And again, because it smells like food and I don't want to go around smelling like food, girl, okay? So I'm gonna add this off the camera. I'm gonna add the tea tree oil to this, just to calm down that food smell that it has, and the black castor and my jojoba oil, guys. I love that oil so much. Yeah guys, this is the oil, this is it, this is the finished product of it. I'm just gonna go add the oils and let it stay and keep using it on my hair. This is like a couple of weeks later, before I took down my hair, and this is how much hair I have grown. And I definitely, I'm not kidding right now, I'm not doing this because of the video. I have never had this kind of growth in like this amount of time. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video.